Does the high cost of medications have you or a loved one feeling overwhelmed? In today's world, this is a common concern, especially for our senior citizens who may be living on fixed incomes. For them, managing health can often mean managing multiple medications, and the cost can quickly add up. But what if there were ways to reduce these costs? What if there were methods to make managing medications easier on the pocket? Well, believe it or not, there are. From opting for generic drugs to enrolling in beneficial programs, there are several strategies that can help ease the financial burden of medications. This is not just about saving money, but also about ensuring that everyone has access to the healthcare they need. So don't despair, there is help out there. Stay with us as we explore 15 effective methods to help reduce these costs. Firstly, consider opting for generic drugs. These are essentially the doppelgangers of brand-name medications. They contain the exact same active ingredients, work in the same way, and provide the same clinical benefits. The primary difference? The price tag. Generic drugs can be significantly cheaper, making them a great choice for anyone looking to trim their medication expenses. But remember, always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. They can provide guidance on what's safe and effective for your specific health needs. Next, let's delve into Medicare Part D plans and the Extra Help program. Medicare Part D plans are specifically designed to help cover the cost of prescription drugs. If you're eligible, it could be a game changer for managing your medication expenses. However, keep in mind it's important to review and compare these plans annually. Why, you might wonder? Well, the formularies or the list of covered drugs and costs can change from year to year. So, the plan that worked for you this year might not be the best fit the next. Now let's touch on the Extra Help program. This is a program offered by the Social Security Administration for folks with limited income and resources. It can help cover Medicare prescription drug program costs like premiums, deductibles, and co-insurance. These programs could significantly reduce your prescription drug costs, so it's worthwhile looking into them. Have you ever heard of pharmaceutical assistance programs and discount cards? Well, let me tell you, they can be a real game changer when it comes to reducing medication costs. Pharmaceutical assistance programs, often sponsored by drug companies themselves, aim to help individuals who can't afford their medications. These programs often have specific eligibility criteria, so it's definitely worth checking if you might qualify. Now, let's talk about discount cards. These are offered by various pharmacies and organizations to help reduce the cost of your medications. They can be used at the point of purchase and can sometimes offer significant savings on your prescriptions. It's important to remember that not all cards are created equal. Some offer larger discounts than others, and not every card will be accepted at every pharmacy. But with a little bit of research, you can find the right one that works for you. These programs and cards might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, let's talk about bulk purchases and mail-order pharmacies. Buying medications in bulk can often lead to significant savings, especially for those medications that you take regularly. It's like buying in wholesale. The more you buy, the cheaper it gets. And then, there are mail-order pharmacies. These can provide an added convenience of delivering your medications right to your doorstep, often in a 90-day supply, which could be more cost-effective than monthly refills at your local pharmacy. Not only could this save you money, but it might also save you time. State pharmaceutical assistance programs and regular medication reviews could also help you save. Let's delve into these two methods. Some states offer their own medication assistance programs. The eligibility requirements and benefits can vary by state, but these programs can significantly help in reducing your medication costs. So take the time to find out what assistance your state provides. Now let's talk about regular medication reviews. It's essential to periodically review your medication list with your healthcare provider. This routine check ensures that all your prescribed drugs are indeed necessary and that there aren't more cost-effective alternatives available. It's a proactive approach to managing your health and your wallet. Remember, an informed patient is an empowered patient. So whether it's exploring state resources or keeping your medication list up to date, these strategies can play a significant role in managing your medication costs. Keeping your medication list up to date and knowing your state's resources are key in managing drug costs. Did you know that shopping around and using a pill splitter could lower your medication costs? It might seem simple, but sometimes the most effective strategies are. Prices for the same drug can vary significantly between pharmacies. This includes both physical and online stores. So it pays to do a little homework. Take the time to compare prices at different locations. It might take a bit of effort, but your wallet will thank you. Now, let's talk about pill splitters. If your medication comes in a dose double what you need and it's safe to split, you could save money by purchasing the higher dose and splitting the pills. But remember, not all pills are safe to split, and you should always consult your healthcare provider first. These strategies might seem small, but when it comes to your health and your budget, every little bit counts. These simple strategies could lead to significant savings. Senior discounts and state sales tax waivers are other avenues to explore. It's no secret that many pharmacies honor the wisdom and contribution of our older generation by offering senior discounts. So don't be shy to ask about this at your local pharmacy. You might be pleasantly surprised at the savings you can make on your medication costs. Another often overlooked method to save is to check for state sales tax waivers. Some states have provisions to waive sales taxes on prescription medications for senior citizens. This can provide significant savings, especially for those on multiple medications. Reach out to your state's health department or a local community center to find out if your state provides this benefit. These strategies, though seemingly minor, can lead to substantial savings over time. So take advantage of these opportunities to minimize your medication costs. Remember, every penny saved counts. Lastly, consider exploring drug manufacturer rebates and charitable organizations. These two methods are often overlooked, yet they can make a substantial difference in the cost of medications. Drug manufacturers sometimes offer rebates on their products. These rebates can significantly reduce out-of-pocket costs. To take advantage of these rebates, you usually have to fill out a form or perform some other action. It's worth the effort because this can lead to considerable savings. In addition to manufacturer rebates, there are numerous charitable organizations dedicated to helping seniors manage their medication costs. These nonprofit organizations work tirelessly to provide financial support, helping to offset the cost of necessary medications. Each charity has different eligibility criteria, so it's worth doing a little research to see if you qualify. Local and national charities alike may offer assistance, so don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help. These options could provide much-needed financial relief. In conclusion, there are numerous strategies to help reduce the cost of medications. We've explored a broad spectrum of methods, from opting for generic versions of brand-name drugs to enrolling in Medicare Part D plans. Both of these steps can lead to significant savings, especially when combined with the Extra Help program for those with limited income and resources. We've also highlighted the benefits of pharmaceutical assistance programs and discount cards. These can be invaluable tools for those struggling to afford their medications. Don't forget to explore the potential savings from bulk purchases and mail-order pharmacies, especially for medications taken regularly. State pharmaceutical assistance programs can also lend a helping hand, and it's always beneficial to regularly review your medication list with your healthcare provider. This can help ensure that all prescribed drugs are necessary and that more cost-effective alternatives are not available. Shopping around for prices between pharmacies, including online ones, and using a pill splitter can also lead to savings. Senior discounts and state sales tax waivers on prescription medications are other potential avenues for reducing costs. Rebates from drug manufacturers and assistance from charitable organizations can also help lighten the financial burden. And finally, remember to review your health insurance plan annually to ensure it still meets your medication needs at the best price. The key point to remember is that it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers before making any changes to medication regimens, especially when switching to generics or different brands. They can provide guidance on what's safe and effective for your specific health needs. With these strategies in hand, navigating the high cost of medications can be a little less daunting. Remember, every little bit helps. It's all about being informed, proactive, and open to exploring all options. Together, we can make the world of prescription drugs a bit more affordable, ensuring that health remains a priority, not a luxury. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if the information presented was helpful to you. Also, drop a note in the comments if there is anything mentioned in the video that you would like to explore further, and we will do so in a future video for everyone's benefit.